welcome back to Simply Subrena. I'm Subrena. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. If you're not a subscriber already, definitely make sure you subscribe. Go ahead and join the love. Also, make sure you give this video a thumbs up to share the love. It really helps my channel out and I really do appreciate it. So today I'm coming here with a review for you guys, and it is on this gorgeous hair that you thought was mine. So this hair is from Amazing Beauty Hair. Where's the box? So it's for Amazing Beauty Hair. I'm gonna show you the hair specs in a little bit while I'm showing you how I got this style, but I am loving this hair. So these are clip-ins, but if I didn't say nothing, y'all would have thought this was my hair. So they literally have the closest and the best clip-ins to my natural hair texture that I've ever tried before. I tried the coarse Yaki. It was too coarse. It was more a blowout state. But these clip-ins, if you are a relaxed girl, if you are natural but you wear your hair straight a lot, these clip-ins are for you. Or if you're just natural and you want to straighten your hair, these clip-ins are for you. They match my hair so good. Like while looking through, like you cannot tell where my hair is versus where the clip-in is. So I really like that. So I did this really cute style. So I did a half up, top knot, and the rest down. I did attempt to wand curl it, but the barrel was kind of big, so I didn't really get the curls I was looking for, but overall, I really do like the look. And overnight, I think what I'm just gonna do is just put two big Bantu knots in the back of my head to just keep the wavy look. But I cannot wait to experiment more with different styles. Like, I'm so excited about these clip-ins. I feel like it gives that extra oomph that I've been looking for, because realistically, guys, because these are 20 inches. Realistically, this is my hair goal length, to be honest. Probably, yeah. Realistically, this is all I've ever wanted from my hair. So these clip-ins are kind of like encouragement as well for me to keep going on my hair journey, because now I can physically see what my hair will look like once it's this length, and I friggin' love them. So all the links will be down below for this hair, so definitely make sure you check that out. But throughout the video, I'm going to show you guys, of course, how I did this style. It's super easy. Everyone knows how to do a half up, half down, top knot, and I'm really just installing the clip-ins, but I'm going to show you guys up close texture, what it's like, how many clip-ins come in a box, and all of that. So just stay tuned and we're just going to go ahead and get right into the tutorial. Hey guys, so the hair I'm going to be using is from Amazing Beauty Hair Extensions, and this is their clip-ins. So in your package, of course, you are going to receive your clip-ins. So this is the density of one pack of clip-ins, and this is the inches, 20 inches. So they also do include a pair of lashes. They're really cute. There are some natural pair of lashes, but I actually like these. And they come with a few extra clips just in case if your clips fall off, which I don't think they will because they are very sturdy. Comes with a comb, and of course it comes with, is this a hair care? Yeah, it comes with a hair care guide as well for your clip-ins. So again, the texture that I got is the Yaki straight. I wanted something that was going to match my natural hair as much as possible, but I did not want to get coarse Yaki because I did get that before and it's just too coarse. It doesn't straighten out straight enough. It's just gonna always be a blow dry texture. That was not what I was going for. So I have ran the flat iron through this once before, but I'm gonna show you guys the texture up close. Okay, so you can see it has like a little bit of crinkly to it, but it's not excessive. So it's still textured. It matches natural hair pretty well, but it gets pretty straight. So if you're wearing your hair straight, this is going to match really, really good. This is like the best match that I have ever gotten, or the closest I've gotten to my natural hair texture. It is a little bit silkier, of course, than my natural texture. If I straighten my hair out enough, my hair can match it. So it's a little bit more silkier, but I like it. So if you have relaxed hair, this is a definite match. I would have loved these when I was relaxed than the hair that I used to use. So I really like the texture. So in your box, it does come with one 4-clip weft. It also comes with 2 3-clip wefts, 3 2-clip wefts, and it comes with 1 1-clip weft. My hair, this is a week after my hair has been straightened. I've worked out once with my hair straightened, so my roots are kind of puffy. I've gotten rained on, not heavy rain, but it was drizzling really hard. I didn't have an umbrella. I was leaving work, so I've gotten rained on. If you follow me on Snap, I told you about it. Then I had to like wrap my hair the next day. It was still puffy, but it was still like kind of laid and flowy. I've had my hair up in like a top knot bun for the weekend for the most part, so my hair is doing whatever it wants to do. I don't want to go in and re-straighten my hair, so I'm actually going to do like a half up half down style, and I'm going to throw in some loose wand curls in it just because my hair is like so textured right now. I'm going to go ahead and part out where I want my top knot bun to be, and it's just going to be like the very front.
Had a girl quite like me, me. Never had a girl quite like me, me. Never had a girl quite like me, me. Never had a girl quite like me, me.
Pull up in a Rari, my beside me. It's a 2-seater, yo, can't rap, I'm sorry.
So I'm gonna go ahead and just wrap my top knot, get that out of the way, so I could put in my clip-ins.
Pull up in a Rari.
Literally just wrap in like a Bantu knot, and that is gonna stay pretty secure. And we're just gonna go ahead and put in the clip-ins. It's really easy to put in a clip-in, so let's just go ahead and do that.
Beside me, it's a 2-seater, yo, can't rap.
Girl, that girl that you got ain't got nothing on me. So girl that you got ain't got nothing on me. Girl ain't got nothing on me. So call me. Moshi. Girl that you got ain't got nothing on me. Girl that you got ain't got nothing on me. So girl that you got ain't got nothing on me. So girl that girl that head to feet, baby, one more time. Head to feet, baby, you're just fine.
Never had a girl quite
Never had a girl quite like see on me. Take a hot boy and give him cold feet on feet. When it comes to love, I'm like Moshi.
Pull up in a Rari, my beside me. It's a 2-seater, yo, can't rap, I'm sorry. Pull up in a Rari, my beside me. It's a 2-seater, yo, can't rap. Never had a girl quite
Never had a girl.
And even with my hair like this, I don't even feel like I necessarily need to do anything. Like I need to flat iron my hair. You guys saw what my hair looked like before. It's very textured, but you cannot tell the difference from where my hair is, of course, except for the length. So the texture is very, like this texture matches amazing. Like amazing.
Damn.
2 of the clip-ins, so I didn't use one of the 3 clip and the single clip one because I didn't need it. I really do love these clip-ins. Like, you cannot tell where my hair ends, where my hair starts. It's a very natural look. And this is the 20 inches. So this is where 20 inches come. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my edges, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys like this video. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down below. Also, comment what is your favorite style using clip-ins, because I'm looking for some styles to try out. I know I'm definitely going to do the 2 braids with the clip-ins and see what that looks like. I'm really excited to try out different styles with this, so comment down like your favorite styles to do with clip-ins if you have any, so I can go ahead and check that out. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, love.
You can tell me anything you want, I'll forget about it. Tell me what you want, anything I'll do better without. I can tell what happened last night. Did I act right? Never get me slip, never get me slip, never get me slip, never. What's going on?